because that's against the law. Upset Pete, I'm a big boy. I take punches. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy hunting video. This is a new channel that hunting. This is the first I show you a hunting channel. So the reason why I'm going hunting, ladies and gentlemen, I love the wild. I'm an outdoor person and I like outdoor. So come along with me to my hunting ground. I just like the wild animals and like the pigs. Well, now deer season is over, so we can, in Florida, we can hunt pigs all through the year. There is no restriction on pigs. Come with me, ladies and gentlemen, to my hunting ground. Anytime you go into the bushes, ladies and gentlemen, always make sure you got two guns. You got a long one and you got a short one, because in this place you got water moccasin. So you gotta be careful. And water moccasin will run you down. So you gotta have a short gun to take care of that. So right here is my sanctuary. This is where I hunt. And all my wild odds and so if you look here, it says no hunting, because this is my little sanctuary. So it said no hunting. So that means in the state of Florida, if you catch anybody hunting on your property, when it say no hunting, remember it's a offense and you will go to jail for that. So you have to be careful. Do not trespass if you're ever in Florida and nobody hunting property, because that's against the law. So this is why I put up this sign. So that means when I come up here, you see the sign before you come in. If you get trespassed, then it's up to you. Yeah, so this is my hunting ground, but ladies and gentlemen, when you're going into this hunting ground, you gotta go in very quietly, because those pigs will hit the hunting ground, sitting under those feeder and eating corn. But I got a big problem right now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm walking in and I don't see no signs of tracks with pigs. So I don't really know what happened here, but I'm still looking. All tracks I see is raccoon, coyote, and bears, and I don't eat those things. So therefore, I'm still looking, but I see no tracks of pigs. In 2 years ago, when I don't come up here for 2 years. So 2 years ago, when I come in and start a hunt, I could tell from I hit the road, there's a lot of pigs, because you see all the road in. But since I'm coming in from the road, I don't see no pigs. So come along with me to the journey. You know, this place is bush up because I don't been here in 2 years, ladies and gentlemen. So I don't know what's going on here. So let me stay quiet for a moment and I check my feeders. So what happened there? You see, this is why we got to have 2 pistols on us, because this is water you're going through. You got a water moccasin, and this water moccasin is fierce. So you got to be careful when you're going through this water. And this is why you gotta wear high boots, because in case you don't see one and it strike you, it strike the boot, because they don't strike higher than a foot to 2 feet. So it will strike your boot. So therefore you gotta use water boot, high boots to come into this. Because you see all these grass, ladies and gentlemen, they will in there taking a suntan, sunbath, you call it, or suntan. So you gotta look when you're coming in. So, and still yet I don't see no sign of pigs. All I see, ladies and gentlemen, is sign of big bucks, deer. But I see no sign of pigs, and hunting season is over for deer. So let's come in and look. So ladies and gentlemen, this is one of my feeder. And that used to be my tree house right there. So I got to repair that tree house. Yeah, it's good. You see, I built it and wrap it around the tree. So that's where I hunt. So this is one of my feeder right here. And this is the second one right here. I'm just checking for sign of pigs. But ladies and gentlemen, all I see is the raccoon and the bear and the deer. I don't see no sign of pigs. So that kind of been troubling. So I got a puzzle right here. Where is the pigs? Because I used to see 10, 20 of them coming on this feeder. But I don't see one sign of one. So I got a puzzle in, I have a puzzle to solve. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope if you like this video, you subscribe, you hit that notification bell, share it with your friends and family, and say you need more of Wonder Boy. And I'm going to sit here and hunt for about 3 hours and see if I see anything comes up. And then I will keep you with the following up video of what's going on here. But normally next 10 minutes, I'm supposed to see a pig come out. And if they do not, then something is wrong. So you catch me on the following up video. Like, subscribe, share it with your neighbors, share it with your friends. And big up for who subscribing to me, and big up for who watching the video. And thanks. Peace out. Gentlemen, I sit here for 3 hours later, and all I see turkey and deers, but I see no pigs. I don't want no turkey and I don't want no deers. They're all out of season. But pigs is into season, but I see no pigs. So I'm going back home with a empty cooler, ladies and gentlemen. So I gotta solve that puzzle. While the pigs them is not here, does they migrate? Does they in hiding? If you know about Hunting Channel, leave a comment and tell me what happened to those pigs, where they go, or I don't know. Okay, so you like, subscribe and share with your friends and family, and hit that notification. Ladies and gentlemen, you can leave a comment for Wonder Boy. Don't be scared, Wonder Boy will answer all your comments that you leave. Yeah, he even says, "Hi Wonder Boy, I love your video." Or I say, "Hi Wonder Boy, you don't love what I'm doing." I'm not scared of good or bad people. I just want to put the truth out there. Some people maybe like it, some people maybe not. But I'm going to continue regardless what. So just leave a comment, good or bad. I'll accept it. I'm a big boy. I take punches. Send it out to Wonder Boy. Thanks. And thanks for watching.